To evaluate cos inverse 1 into root 3 divided by 2. So use the principal range of the inverse cosine functions. The principal range the inverse cosine function so here 0 less than minus theta less than minus pi. Okay, pi. Now theta equal cos inverse 1 into root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Now since cos of pi divided by 6 equal root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. The principal value is, so the principal value is cos inverse 1 into root 3 divided by 2 equal pi divided by 6. Pi divided by 6. Okay, so in radians is to pi divided by 6, and in degrees is to 30 degree. Please student, please comment me and like and subscribe my channel. I will get impression from your side and I will upload next videos also.